Everyone loves Ikea, especially when it doesn't look like Ikea. Hi everyone, welcome to another interior design tips video. Today I'm going to focus on Ikea, but not just great products from Ikea, because we know they have some great products. But I'm talking about Ikea products that look more expensive than they are. And I'm going to give you some tips along the way on what makes them look like luxury products so you can use those tips when you're shopping in any store, not just Ikea. Sound good? Let's get to it. Okay, I had a hard time limiting this category because Ikea just has amazing woven products. From baskets to lighting to furniture, there are so many items that I could have chosen that look and feel so much more expensive than they really are. Mostly because anything in a natural woven fiber looks handmade and thus looks more unique and therefore more expensive. That, by the way, is a key tip. One of my favorite chairs is included in this category, the Ulrichsburg chair. I'm loving the natural look of this rattan chair, but what makes this chair look more luxe is that simple black frame. This super lightweight look makes it stand out among other pieces of furniture. When I'm shopping, I always look for small details that make items special. You'd be amazed at how these details transform something from a good design to a beautiful design. Small things like the tubular frame that widens and flattens along the armrest for added comfort, and the way the rattan is wrapped around it like so. Another great woven piece from Ikea is the Lusticker basket. This time, this woven material is made from Nipa palm, which gives it a thicker, more substantial look. It's a classic basket shape, and I love the sturdy handles. Because of its larger size, it looks stunning on the floor with blankets or pillows or even extra wood for the fire. What makes it look more expensive than other baskets from Ikea is that intricate and complicated woven pattern. And how about this poof? The Alcida stool is made from banana leaf fibers. That braiding technique makes the stool smooth and beautiful to the touch. Your key tip? Adding natural fibers to your living spaces always elevates the room. The Alcida is the perfect stool or poof to tuck into any room because it does just that. It adds texture and interest. That handcrafted look always looks like it's a one-of-a-kind piece, and that's what makes it luxe. In the highest end shops, you'll find rattan and woven natural fibers as accent pieces just like these. So next time you're at your local Ikea, take a look and consider adding a natural woven something. Chair, basket, stool, you get the picture. Okay, we know that Ikea is great for storage cabinets and bookshelves. Combine those two elements and you get the display shelf. I love a display shelf because it's more than just for books. You can use this storage cabinet as an opportunity to display some of your most prized pieces, whether that's books, sculptures, knickknacks, plants, or any combination thereof. And an expensive looking display shelf makes all your stuff look even better. The Vitsjo series comes in different sizes, but I'm loving the double wide display. The minimal black frame in combination with the glass shelves makes this piece light and airy. Super modern and sleek. This combination of materials makes this piece look more expensive than it is. And because it's so minimal, it's sure to highlight all your decorative pieces inside. It's like a museum display. Spend some valuable time arranging your loved pieces on these shelves and the whole thing will look super special. The whole series is quite striking, but the display shelves are my favorite. And just to make things a bit more complicated, how do you choose between the Vitsjo and this display shelf? The Rudsta is just as modern and sleek and beautiful. The Rudsta comes with glass doors, so if you've got some precious pieces to display, this is the cabinet for you. Remember, details make it more special, like the door pulls. And that black backdrop makes all your loved pieces really stand out. A key tip with display shelves is to look for something that is modern, minimal, and all in one color. So look for black powder coated finishes on steel frames, which make the shelves look even more sleek and more expensive. An all white display shelf would do the trick too. Are you enjoying this video? If so, go ahead and hit that like button. Share it with your friends, and if you haven't already, subscribe for more. Let me know in the comments below which of these IKEA pieces you have in your home. I'm excited to hear your thoughts. Oh, and if you're loving this IKEA video, check out this one, or this one, or this one. I'll have all the links in the description below. Okay, we can't go to IKEA without looking at lighting, and they have some amazing lighting options that I just love. Some are quirky, some are classic, but all of them are quite affordable. But if you ask me about lights that look expensive, then the Solklint comes to mind. And yes, they come in a whole series from ceiling lights to wall sconces, but my absolute favorite version is the table lamp. I think it looks the most expensive of the bunch. I love that ribbed glass detail paired with the brass base. I think the proportions are beautiful, and the simplicity is key too. IKEA says it's a shiny jewel, so it must be expensive, right? There's something about the size that I find so elegant, and elegant also looks expensive. Another great table lamp that I think looks like it belongs in a high-end lighting store is the Evidal table lamp. As a designer, I'm always looking for interesting materials and how they mix together, how their textures play with one another. This lamp is a great example with its black marble round base, its cylindrical wood stem, the mouth-blown glass shade topped with a beautiful brass detail at the top, and its pull chain. Combining all those materials in one beautiful product makes this item very special. Your key tip? There's a saying that us designers love: God is in the detail. So you'll hear me say that details are what makes things special. It's hard to define what makes a great detail, but it basically means that attention paid to small things has big rewards, and that small things really matter. That's basically what you're looking for. If you've ever shopped for outdoor furniture, you'll quickly find that no one beats IKEA prices when it comes to luxe looking but affordable seating. The Applaro chair is a great example of a piece of furniture that looks like it would belong in a luxurious vacation resort. It's a simple, classic shape. The acacia wood frame is chunky and substantial in size. Yes, acacia. It even sounds expensive. And those cushions look so comfortable. When you're looking for outdoor furniture, the seat and back cushions are super important because you want to be able to sit and relax and not feel like the cushion pads are too thin and skimpy. The pieces in this series are modular, which means you can bring several of the chairs together to create a very luxe-looking outdoor sofa, including the stool that doubles as a table or a footrest for an extended lounge chair. This series is so versatile, you can create an outdoor oasis even on the smallest balcony. Or they fit right in poolside. And another outdoor product that will look great mixed in with the Applaro, the Stack Holman stool. Once again, acacia wood makes it more expensive looking. It's the perfect little stool to have off to the side for extra seating. I love the classic shape of the wood seat with that slightly curved form. And the black rope weave is charming and adds a touch of texture. You'd never say that was from IKEA. And then there's also the Halfsten series. Did I say we needed comfy cushions for outdoor seating? Well, these look so cushy you might actually want the chair inside in your living room, which is perfectly okay because IKEA says the Halfsten collection are both outdoor and indoor pieces. I love how the fluffy cushions just float above the minimal frame. As if that airy look wasn't enough, check out that fastener at the back. Yes, that's a great detail. This is why being a designer is hard. As much as I love the chunky frame of the Applaro, I equally love the slim and linear, more modern look of the Halfsten. Decisions, decisions. The key shopping tip here is look for one of two types of shapes: simple and classic, or simple and modern. You can't go wrong. So here's your takeaway. Shopping at IKEA doesn't mean everything in your home looks like it was budget savvy. In fact, if you keep a few design tips in mind, you'll be able to shop for items that look more expensive than they actually are. Shop for natural woven items for that one-of-a-kind look. Classic or modern shapes, simple in design, are your best bet. And if they happen to be in an all black or all white modern finish, they'll look especially luxe. And finally, look for the details: special materials, mixing textures, bits of gold, and special hardware. These all add special touches for that more expensive look. Remember, everyone loves IKEA, especially when it doesn't look like it's IKEA. Go ahead and check out the description box below for all the other IKEA videos you might be interested in watching. I'll link them below. And a big shout out to my patrons. Head over to my Patreon page to help support this channel. I've got lots of tiers, including some personalized virtual design advice if that's what you need. Thanks for watching this little design tip. I'll have lots more design tips just like this one coming soon, so don't forget to subscribe. Hit that notification button so you don't miss the next video. We've got new videos every week. And as always, if you like this video, please hit that like button. It helps to grow this channel. See you soon.